Abi, sir.
Hey, just stop there. Stop there. What is Abi?
You.
Oh God. What are you waiting for? Sit down now.
My sister, sit down now. Sit down.
As if you brought anyone when you were coming. Sit down or you leave this place. What is this one doing? Come on, go and sit down. As if you brought anyone. Sit down.
Hello.
See, don't just provoke me. Don't provoke me.
So now.
Did you bring any of this one while you were paying my daughter's bride price? In fact, I'm coming. I'm coming for you. To apologize for what? After accusing my daughter wrongly. So tell me now, what happened? Because my daughter have already told me what happened. Tell me your own version.
Ogamo, please, I'm sorry. I don't know where to start from.
Wait. I don't want to hear that outcome from your mouth. Because you sent my daughter away.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look, this is how the thing happened. I was sitting in my Porsche one fateful day. Suddenly I got a call from look at it. Look at it.
No, it's you.
I got a call from him. But the whole fault is from me. Later I confirmed that it was wife he was talking about, not wife. The way he said everything, he said he has been using my wife even in uncompleted building, even in back to back under my room, he even added something on top my bed. So I got provoked because I don't want anybody to touch my chin now. Ogum, you know now. I love your daughter.
No. Don't tell me that one. Don't tell me that one.
Yeah, sorry.
You are not hearing again. Sorry. You are not hearing again.
I will need cotton.
And you are the one that want to set fire on another person's home.
No.
You don't have a wife.
It's not so.
Nice.
It's not so.
What are you even doing in my compound, sir?
We are sorry.
We are sorry. Please, we are sorry. Can I go with my wife now?
For what? The rules and traditions of this society for accusing your wife wrongly, for calling her a prostitute, you have to pay. You pay the sum of 10,000 naira, one he goat, one white cow, 22 bags of yam to appease the gods. You are ready. Listen, because currency came to my house yesterday just to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage.
Which of your daughter? The younger one?
My chi, of course. Listen to me. You sent her away. You said you don't want to marry her again. So no need of delaying. So just tell me if you are ready. Just tell me.
No, Chief, it's not so. Wait, let us pay let us pay 10,000.
10,000.
10,000 kill there.
How much?
10,000. I won't repeat bride price when I don't pay before. Chief,
You are not serious.
I'm
not saying this.
Please, we pay 1,000 naira.
You are not serious.
Please.
See, look at this one.
You know,
Listen to me. Look at the glass you are wearing. My friend, will you remove that thing now before I send you out of my house? Remove that thing now. Paragon.
I don't remove her now. Should I bring the 1,000 naira?
What do you mean? Let me call currency.
Who's currency?
Currency is the guy I told you now.
It's not so now.
I will call him.
It's not so.
You are not serious.
Please don't. In-law, I will pay everything, but don't call currency. You know I love my chi. I don't want to lose out. I don't want to even lose out for a rat, not to talk about currency. You understand? I don't want to explain anything. But that 10,000 naira, I will make it 20,000.
Rising star!
You see that e-goat? You said one for one thing and the other one for one thing. I will buy two, one for you, one for the other place. And you know that your house behind that your new site now, I will roof it. And this road that is to your place, when we were coming, we were experiencing gallop. I will try it.
Will you keep quiet?
Where is my wife now, your daughter? So that I can start going. We can start going.
Listen.
Let's start going. Where is she?
Don't stress me. Don't stress me.
Yeah, sorry, sir. You can take Kankayo or we should take.
I'm an old man. Don't touch this thing. You say you pay that.
I will pay everything. Where is she now? So that we can start.
Just drop the money here. As you can see, I've dropped the money. Drop the money here. I will give you your wife.
Let me go with her now. I will pay.
Children of nowadays. You people want to scam me again.
No, Chief.
No, no, this is my head. This is my head. I've seen a lot. I've seen. Listen, if you are not bringing the money now, go. You leave my house, then if you are ready, you come back with the money and go back with your wife. I'm giving you just 7 days. If you not do that, I will give my letters and
In-law, wait. That I think say you don't carry chief give me now. Make I carry my wife. They go now. Now make me begin the promise all this. So one die now. Now that one can.
What do you mean? Leave my house. 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 Leave my house.
Chief. I'm so sorry for not hearing you out that time. I'm sorry for not hearing you out. That my friend nice. If I catch that boy, if I catch him, please, I'm sorry. Yes.
I've forgiven you, but I'll forget on one condition.
What again?
Who was that girl that you were kissing and romancing at public today?
Girl. I did not even see any girl talk more of touching a girl or kissing or hugging.
At New Generation Hotel today. Don't just tell me you have been cheating.
No. How can I cheat now? I'm not a cheater. I'm not a cheater. See, that girl, that very girl, Zion, you saw. That was my classmate back then in school. I never had anything to do with her.
You never had anything to do with her. You were kissing and romancing her in public today. See.
I'm sorry. That girl was a. Call you back. I'm very busy. I'll call you.
Who was that?
I'm sorry. The same girl we are talking about. I'm sorry.
Then bring the phone. Let me call her if you don't have.
No. Okay. I don't have anything to do with her. Why will you call her?
Bring the phone. Let me hear from her.
I don't want to talk any other thing again.
You don't want to talk?
I want to change my clothes.
Hey.
Not be our marriage certificate with this. Have you not the see where? I am now. I know I've disgraced you by sending you away. People now call you different kind of name. I'm sorry, please. Forgive me. I'm sorry now. Clean your tears, please. Stop crying, please. Stop.
You can see.
Our marriage certificate.
I'm checking for the expiry dates. Checking for the expiry dates.
What do I do? I'm not going to blame you, Sha. Now within our cost.
Where are you going to dress like this? You not even wear this with this bako bag.
I'm going to my mother's house.
To your mother's what?
Yes. Since you cannot control this other individual, I'm going to my mother's house.
See, make I tell you, like say you don't forget. Now bride price I pay, I not borrow you.
And so?
Wait.
How you think affect me?
Wait, hold on, please. The last time I checked, you were studying our marriage certificate. You are even funny. Look at the way you are checking our marriage certificate. I don't just understand.
You don't understand. Don't worry, when I will get to my mother's house, you will understand.
Wait, you really mean you want to go?
Yes, now I'm going to my mother's house. That is final.
Sit down. You say going to my mother's house. Going to which mother's house?
Oh, you think I'm joking? You think I'm joking, right?
Chief, please, come. said I'm sorry now. How many times? How many times will I apologize before you hear? I'm sorry now. Eh?
Sorry, I've heard you, but I'm going to my mother's house.
With backup bag, if they see you there, they will think I'm not feeling you. With backup bag, what about the other?
Or are you
bag?
feeling me?
Okay, it's okay. I don't like to talk too much. It's okay, I'm coming. Hold on, excuse me.
You better be fast though, because I will give you an hour. Better be fast.
I'll strive by you.
Where are you going to? With your bags?
I've had a lot. I've apologized. Last time I checking our marriage certificates. This time around with backup, you said you are.
So where are you going with your bags?
Wait, allow me to land now. You said you are going to your mother's house, right? Is that not what you said?
Yes, nah.
Me too. I'm going to my mother's house. Going to my mother's house.
What about your children?
Children come. All those children when I not even sorry, I not. I don't want to remember what happened before because it don't take self when I suspect you. It don't take. That mice, if I anywhere when I see mice, what do you do? Now only God will know.
Let's go inside. Go give your children.
I don't want to talk. Wait. I don't want to talk too much. The children will go to their mother's house as well. Me, I'm going to my mother's house. Since you said you are going to your mother's house.
Which mother? You stay and take care of you.
See, I'm going.
Bring that your girlfriend. You take